Okay. Okay. Hi all. My name is Pankaj Bhaviskar. I am presenting here my project inventory management system. So there is a authentication for system login. So I am entering now a username as a admin and password as a password. Click on login. So we have successfully entered in a system. So there is a options as a sales functionality as a sales, inventory, extracts and exits. So in the project, time and date also included as a live. So uh, I'm going to explain now a sales functionality. So there is a name as a we need to enter a customer name for billing purpose. So I am entering a name as Ashish Ashish and contact number is 98. Okay, so need to select the category of the product. So I am selecting cosmetic now and subcategory of the product that face, hair, lips, and I am selecting hair now and product as set wet hair gel full 50 ml product. So here we need to here, add a quantity of the products. So I am entering now one quantity and adding there now currently in stock is a 770 products now. So I'm entering one quantity now and unit price is 50.5 rupees. So add to cart. Then I'm now adding second product, uh, mobile. Customer needs to buy a mobile. Then I'm adding iOS smartphone, iPhone X and quantity one. So there's in the stock iPhones is a 10 stock currently in the system. So I'm adding one quantity, add to cart. So then we need to generate a bill. Click on bill. So bill is generated now as a name on Ashish. So it's a demo of sales functionality. Then I am moving in inventory system. So एज इन्वेंटरी इज अ मीन्स इन्वेंटरी में होता है कि हम प्रोडक्ट्स को ऐड करते हैं जो हमें प्रोडक्ट्स सिस्टम में डालने होते हैं मीन्स देर इज सम प्रोडक्ट्स आई हैव ऑलरेडी एडेड so I am adding one more product in the system. So click on add products and then need to enter product name. Product name we can consider a product name as Nokia 2. Okay, and category name is a mobile and the subcategory is a Android smartphone. Okay, so then unit price we can consider 15,000 and quantity in stock as 20 quantity. Then need to click on add button. The product already exists in the database. Okay, so I have already because I have already added this product. So we can change the product name as Samsung Samsung X smartphone. Okay, then mobile standard smartphone price change 17,000 and quantity as same 20. So I'm adding now. So it's saying added to database means product added successfully in the system. Okay. Then we can close the window now. So here is seeing we are seeing that the product added successfully as a Samsung X as a mobile in a mobile category. Okay, so we can also update the product price also if we want. Then need to select product. Then select click on the select product. His info is product info information is getting here. So I am quantity is updating now. I am as a 9. I am updating 15 quantity and price as a 65,000 and update the product. Click on update product. Product hypernext value updated into data means product information is updated successfully. Okay, so we can see now that hypernext quantity is updated 15 and unit price also updated 65,000. We can also delete the product also. Then if we select Vaseline 100 ml product and we want to delete it, so we can also delete product. Delete product now. Product deleted successfully. Okay. And if we want to select product from the product names, then we can also search SAM, Samsung, and search. Samsung is getting here. So it's a whole functionality of inventory function. And there is an option as I have added option as extracts in that we can change our system ID and system password, and there is also a functionality of dark mode and light mode option also, so we can change theme. And it's a it's a full project of inventory management system. Thank you so much for thank you so much.